Tonight, I am in Gatlinburg doing one of Gatlinburg's most talked about attractions. Right behind me, Earthquake, the ride. Here we go. First time doing Earthquake, the ride. I've heard a lot about it. I know a lot of people that have done it. I've never done it before. Let's see what it's about. We are gonna board. All right, so far I am the only one in here and I'm already a little frightened. So let me show you ahead of me. I have no idea what this is gonna be like. Kind of like in a little bus type of situation, and they told me to buckle up, so I did. Oh boy. All right, so we're going through the safety protocol right now, and I got two other people on the train here with me, so I'm not alone. Oh my gosh.
Section control, we have a train on our track and it's coming at us. We have a train on our track and it's coming right at us.
Woo! Oh my god!
Oh no! The throttle's jammed and we're out of control!
Oh my god.
There's been a train crash and it's on fire!
Oh, look at him. There's just a random gorilla just hanging out right there. Oh, look at this guy. Whoa. That guy looks like he's in trouble. Oh man. Oh my god! All right. Yep. Looks like the ceiling caved in. Oh man. Alright, we're gonna make it. They're assuring us we'll be okay. Look at that guy over there. He's just hiding in the corner. Whoa! Oh my gosh, they're letting him out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Hey! Alright, that was so fun. It was silly. It was kind of cheesy, but it was fun. I just can't stop laughing because it's like one of those attractions that is, I wouldn't call it scary, but I would, it's just funny. It's like just funny, cheesy. I would definitely recommend it. I would do it. Yeah, Earthquake the ride. If you guys have done it, let me know in the comments below. I think I'm gonna laugh like the whole way walking back because it's just funny. Thanks for watching, guys.